Welcome to the Cert database of links. The purpose of this is not about the actual video itself, but what's important here is the information section below this video. What we strive to do here is to provide links that are useful for the subject that you need to study. Now this needs to be, we'll do some of the work, but it needs to be collaborative. So what I'd like you to do is, if you know a good link to do with this subject, then leave a comment below sharing the link online that has good information about the subject. And what I will do is I will revisit this video every couple of months and I will add any suggested links that prove useful into the database of links. So what you want to do now is you want to click into the information section of this video and you will find all sorts of useful links to do with the subject music.